Hello and welcome again. If you're planning to learn cybersecurity, especially pen testing, there are a number of tools available to you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Metasploitable2. This is a platform that you can test your pen testing exercises. It is a place that you can see all the vulnerable tools that are built in that platform, and then you can use your learning platform or in a home lab. And if I show you how to do that installation, I've downloaded Metasploitable. It's on my computer. I've got the image now. And then if I just want to install that on my lab, I would go to my VMware Workstation platform and say open. And then the source of that machine is here. And Metasploitable2, that's the configuration VMX or virtual machine configuration file. It loads. It says Metasploitable2, and if I'd like to rename it, I'll remove the Linux, leave it Metasploitable2, and it has it's a small platform. It detects the default interface configuration and connects it to NAT, one of the interfaces in my laptop, and I would leave the defaults as they are and then start the machine. So the machine loads, the image loads, and then it boots, and from there you will have access with the default username and password. If you've connected to the NAT interface of your VMware Workstation, it will receive the default IP address from that interface, DHCP IP address. Okay, so the machine loaded. That's all you needed. And if you log in now, the username and password are here: msfadmin, msfadmin. And if I msfadmin, that's the username, and msfadmin. Okay, and if I want to check the interface ifconfig, I'm receiving this IP from my network 192.168.24 and .24.129. I can use then Kali to test all the pen testing tools from there to this machine. That's all. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in another video.